Hi everyone, this is Kamal. Welcome to my channel Understand Tech Here. Structure is an important feature of programming. This video will give you a good basic understanding of structure. What's a structure? Why do you need it? How to declare and use it? I have been teaching C programming for many years and I'm pretty sure you will greatly benefit from this video. So without any further ado, let's start. Before we discuss structure, the questions could be, why do you need it in the first place? There are mainly two reasons why you want to use structures. First, it helps to store related data together. And second, it provides a natural way of thinking about and storing data. I would not be discussing about the second reasons in this video. Let's focus on the first reasons. For that, let's look at the given below simple program. Here we want to store name and price of two books. It's asking us to enter name of book. Let's say the name of book is programming. We have stored that in variable name1. It's asking us to enter price. Let's say the price is $10. We have stored that in variable price1. Similarly, it's asking us to enter name of another book. Let's say the name of book is web page. We have stored that in variable name2. It's asking us to enter price. Let's say price is $20. We have stored that in variable price2. So name and price of two books are stored as we wanted. So far so good. Now, if I ask you, what's the price of a book named programming? You might say, you are probably correct, but from the programming point of view, let me repeat that. From the programming point of view, look carefully. There is nothing on the basis of which you can say that data stored in variable name1 and price1, programming and $10 are related. Therefore, you can say the price of book named programming is $10. Similarly, there is also nothing from the programming point of view on the basis of which you can say data stored in variable name2 and price2, web page and $20 are related. I mean, on what basis can you say name1 and price1 or name2 and price2 are related? So here we are not being able to keep related data together. Here the earlier program has been modified to use structure. Now let's analyze the program. Before we go through the program, let me give you a practical example. Let's say this is a design or blueprint of a racing car. It defines a structure or constructions of a racing car to be made. This is an actual racing car made by following the design or blueprint. This is exactly the case in case of structures. When we do this, nothing concrete is created. All we are doing is creating a design or blueprint. We are telling computer that we want to create a thing called book in the futures which would have two parts, name and price. Further, the part called name would have 20 locations. When we do book B1 and B2, now two things B1 and B2 will be created. Why B1 and B2 having this kind of a structure or constructions got created? B1 is of type book. Now what kind of thing is book? As mentioned here. What kind of structure or constructions does it refer to? This kind of constructions or structures. So when we do book B1 and B2, B1 and B2 having structure or constructions as shown in the diagrams are created. Now when we enter the name of book programming, it will be stored as shown in the diagram. Similarly, when we enter the price of book 10, it will be stored as shown in the diagram. Similarly, the name of next book web page and price 20 will be stored as shown in the diagram. Now you can clearly see relationship between data. What is the name of the book having price 10? 10 is stored here in price. What name is stored in name part? Programming, right? Hence, the name of book having price 10 is programming. In this way, the feature called structure in programming helps to keep related data together. What if we don't write this? This part is called declaration of structure variable. If you don't declare structure variables, nothing will be created. Earlier I gave an example of racing car. It's like having a design of a racing car ready, but no cars yet being manufactured. What if we write this, but not this? This part is definition of structures. If we don't provide definition of structures, we would be providing incomplete information to computer. We would be telling computer to create B1 of type book, but when we say to create thing of type book, think of having what kind of structure or constructions computer is to create. It will not be clear, and therefore computer would not be able to create B1. It's like telling manufacturer of car to manufacture car but not giving any design at all. What if instead of this we write this? In this case, since both B1 and B2 has a part called price, it will not be clear whether price of B1 or B2 is to be displayed, right? What if instead of this we write this? In this case, since B1 has two parts, name and price, it will not be clear which part of B1 we want to display. Here I have done stock book B1, B2. Instead of this, we could have, and in fact, it is far better to use an array of structures. If we use an array of structures, program will be as given in the diagram. So, how's today's video? Please leave your comments and suggestions below. I would be posting video like this on various programming topics, so please do consider subscribing to my channels. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.